not even ask how much damn videos has this mother lover posted in one day and acted like it's been 3 days. Do not even ask in the comment section. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a clapper in the Peak 26. Whoop hip hooray! Should have left this in 2026, 2023. You excel man, look at my own version and you look at my anime drawings. See man, so yo, my stick man, look at my stick man, you. Yo, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yo man, you see isn't that class? You see isn't this class man? I drew all of this in class by the way. Don't tell my dad. See, look at this. See that? You see? BTA. You see this? Oh. You see chat? You see me? I'm an artist. You see this chat? Oh, Hiroshi-kun. Chat. Oh, don't worry, man. Don't worry. You see, net copyright, check copyright. And then you see, this is it currently. And then yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's get to the part why you clicked on this video. Wait, let me quickly set up my camera now. So I have one piece of paper. Look. With that one piece of, come closer. Okay man, just gonna put that one piece of paper. I fold it. And then, when you fold this, you see, it must be like that. See this? You see? See, no side is bigger than the other, ne? You see, when you fold this part, that's the most important part. Ne? Then, the page is like this. You want to do, oh wait. You want to do this 4 times. When you do this, this is the most important step of the clapper. When you do this, it must be on the line. It can't be over the line. It can't be behind the line. It must be on the line. Or the clapper is not going to be so nice. Well, it can be before the line, but okay. You see, now it looks like this. Now, most people don't know what to do here. You see, when it gets to here, most people don't know what to do. So that's what you must do. You take the page, you fold it. So did you see what I just did? From this to this. You see? I folded it. And then you just see this at the end. Now, afterwards, you do this. And when you do this, you think it's complete. No, that's not how a full clapper looks. A lot of people get confused here. You fold this again here. Then you open it. Now, here's the most tricky part. Now it just looks like this folded piece of paper. What else must I do? Look. I'm gonna show you the step by step now. You see now this. You fold it inwards. You fold it like outwards. Like now, with this part, you fold it like this on both sides. See? Then when you get to this, if you even made it to this part, a lot of people give up because like, what must I do next? See, here's the final step. You fold it outwards instead of inwards this time. And there you have yourself a clapper. To prove it works. Look. See? I made myself a walking clapper in the 1 minute.